Hi, I'm David Loshin, President of KnowledgeIntegrity. We have received an interesting request for this Ask the Expert segment. A college faculty member is interested in knowing, for new college graduates in management information systems who are now just hitting the workforce, what are the most important business intelligence concepts that they should know? To answer this, let's consider what may be introduced in an academic environment and how those lessons are reflected in practice. First, management information systems courses may focus on the capabilities of technology that can be put into practice in a perfect world, since the presentation and exercises will have been engineered to meet the semester curriculum. In reality, the ability to deploy technology in a clean environment is rare, and the success of trying to introduce new capabilities is always going to be impeded by the demands of the existing environment. So lesson number one, think outside the box when trying to introduce BI concepts into an existing framework. Consider ways to embed business intelligence techniques into existing environments instead of just conjuring up a new implementation silo. This brings me to my second point. The objective of business intelligence is not for the sake of generating reports or pretty graphics or scorecards or dashboards, but to simplify the introduction of performance management and optimization into one or more business processes. The simplistic premise is this: business managers must seek to improve their outcomes. Therefore, look for those business processes that provide the smallest business benefit or require the greatest investment and effort, and measure the ways that the processes relate to performance indicators, and if there's a dependency that can be improved, figure out how to improve it. BI tools should be used to drive that improvement process, not as an end in itself. Here's a third suggestion. Don't be confined by the traditional approaches supporting BI. Emerging technologies such as unstructured search, geographic information sources, entity profiling, data federation, cloud computing, and the like create opportunities for extracting actionable knowledge without specifically relying on a highly structured data warehouse populated through traditional ETL streams from internal data sources. The last suggestion is to always pay attention to the generalized needs of the business customer. BI practitioners can cast themselves as agents of change, especially when looking at ways to go above and beyond the business user's needs. This means developing a sense for abstraction. Look at each instance of a business problem in a way that is more generalized, since the abstraction may then remind you of existing solutions that can be adapted to the problem's solution. Figuring out ways to connect the dots will lead to a more robust approach to design and implementation. Tools and techniques may come and go, but there will always be an opportunity to help the business client find ways to optimize processes. Congratulations, new graduates, and best of luck in finding that great new job. This is David Loshin, and thanks for listening. Remember, if you have a question on this or any other topic, please submit it in the text box provided.